quiet on set. People, they love to try us. Sometimes our live studio audience just gets a little rowdy because they're so excited about us. So, but now they're behaving. Okay, you heard.
My mom also said she's worried because you love to do this.
Oh, my bad. It's my thing. Sorry, Kim. Hello to all of our fans. Welcome back to Hot Girl Kitchen. I'm Matt.
And I'm Melissa.
And we are so excited to be making you a drink today that we had to drink to that, like to pregame. What are we making, Melissa?
Oh, before all that, there's something
like
really...
and subscribe. Is that what we're getting to?
There's just something really, really important.
It's on your mind.
It's on my mind. Been thinking about it. You guys are starting to freak me out because you're creeping and watching our videos and you're not liking and subscribing. It's kind of
very
weird.
Strange.
Kind of awkward. So I'm going to need you guys to get on board.
We need you to get the up.
HGK or die?
I guess. Okay, that was a little aggressive, but we mean business.
And I know you're also like, wow, oh my god,
we
you guys
look
are
so
glowing.
good. Yeah,
beautiful.
They've never looked better. And
it's true. And that's all thanks to beautiful Michelle
at Glow Studio PGH, sponsored. She does body contour now, so maybe if you send me some tips, I'll do a strip show and show you like.
We'll put our Venmos below.
Yeah, we'll link our Venmo below. Okay.
So today we are going to be making some Aperol Slushies. Perfect drink.
So excited.
Perfect drink for the summertime. And I do love a good aperitif, aka a nice little Aperol. Did you know I took a class at Siena on all of the digestives and aperitifs?
I would hope you would, as a professional mixologist, that they would have you take classes.
So essentially, Aperol is going to be the main event. But we're going to be using primarily all fresher ingredients. We're going to use, that's why we have our...
These are large. What are these, girl? They look like your melons.
These are oranges.
Oh, wow.
But we're going to use our juicer, and we're going to juice some fresh lemon juice, some fresh orange juice. If you guys are lazy, we know what you're going to do, and you're going to go buy that. But like we like to do the most. We live for it.
Period.
We die for it, and that's what we're doing today.
Very extra.
We're also going to, normally, if I were out and about doing this at someone's house, I would use Sprite just to save a couple extra little steps. But
today we're going to do the most so you can see what the real process is. So
we're going to be using some organic cane sugar. This is just to help with the freezing, keep it frozen, sweeten it up. And then also, this flavor doesn't really truly matter, but I'm doing, to give it that fizziness, I'm going to be doing some soda water, and I just happen to have some mango, so that's what we're using.
Oh, I think that's going to be bomb.
It is. It's good.
Into that.
If you want like a specific flavor other than mango, I've used orange soda water before.
Maybe even lime.
Lime or lemon.
Citrusy. Yeah, would be good.
Any citrus. So
lemon, lime, like she said she would normally use Sprite.
So ideally, it's simple, it's to the point, you're going to impress everyone because some of them are so used to their Aperol spritzers that they have no idea that you can use Aperol just for a million different things. So,
well, we're not really deviating that far from an Aperol spritz. It's like a frozen Aperol spritz, right?
There's no champagne.
Okay, then my bad. But also we need to remind the fans that the proper glassware is essential.
Yeah, so if you don't have this glass,
a champagne coupe.
Just throw it in a red Solo cup because that's the equivalent if you don't have this glass.
This is not the equivalent of a red Solo cup.
No, if they don't have this glass, then you might as well just use a red Solo cup because
you're already missing
you ruined
out.
It.
Yeah, not everybody has fine crystal. I understand. Some people live in poverty.
It's time for the investment. It's time for the investment. To start this off, let's go right into it with some juicing. Juicing these big
melons.
Oranges, melons, same thing, I guess. Okay. Anywho, go ahead and cut those in half. And I've never used this, but
I'm actually going to back up a bit because I'm not interested in like a spritz on me.
But this is KitchenAid because we don't do generic.
Yeah. Part of Melissa's spending problem. She just can't help herself.
Just gonna go ahead and get these natural juices.
Oh yeah, we love a good natural juice to really get things going. Okay, well we need to get the ASAP with these cocktails because I'm running out of my rosé. So the next step is...
You're going to do the same thing. I did 3 oranges, and now I'm doing 2 lemons. And we're just going to mix it all together because, honestly...
It's all mixing together
going together anyway, so you don't really have to keep it separate.
And this is enough to make about 4 of this size serving. So, like, just an FYI. This would be, like... All 4 would be, like, enough for 1 serving for me normally, but I'm spreading the love this time.
So now that we have our juices juiced, you're going to go ahead. I don't have like a regular blender, so we're just going to go ahead and use my bullet.
Magic bullet.
And then
You're about to witness some magic.
Cool.
You better believe that. That's not very magical.
I'm going to pour that up there. Honestly, I might even need to pour some of that out because that looks pretty full actually. A little less than halfway because there is a lot of stuff going in here, including ice. Now, Aperol.
Love Aperol. You know who else loves Aperol? If you guys have been watching, which I'm sure they have been, following along on our journey.
Our millions of fans.
Yager, Melissa's dog, I bought him a Hairperol toy. Is it handy? Can we show the audience?
Mm-hmm.
So I bought him this Hairperol toy. I didn't like squeak it or anything. It's the most annoying thing, and lucky for us, he broke the squeaker relatively quickly.
He also
He loves it.
Enough that you can't even see it.
Oh wow! So it used to say Hairperol, but I guess that's canceled. So this is this is the Yager edition.
And
oh my god, look at him. He's into it. He's like, what's the tea? Okay, now I have to hide it so he doesn't try to get too frisky on camera.
Okay, so for the Aperol, I guess we're going to do some counting for you folks at home. 1 2-ounce. 2 2-ounce.
I'm getting gray hairs as the moments go on.
Okay, this is a lot, but don't worry, we can add more juice if it's a little too much.
It's never too much.
It's never too much. I was just saying that for
yeah, I mean, get
people
real.
at home that think we have something wrong with us.
Don't have alcohol problems, yeah.
Okay, so we're going to take a little spoon.
I would say this is a teaspoon size.
You think?
Mm-hmm.
You don't think that's tablespoon?
Nope.
Okay.
Not big enough to be a tablespoon.
Mm-hmm.
This is actually a very random spoon. I feel like it's actually kind of in the middle.
Yeah, I was going to say, this definitely doesn't look like a teaspoon.
Yeah.
Okay, so, hold on. We're going to do 3 of these. So
3 of our in the middle of the
1.5 tablespoons.
Yes.
That's going to probably be the
good
equivalent. Mm-hmm. And then, to top it off.
Oh wow, and we're going to blend it with the sparkling tea in it.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's really a trick. Oh my god, what are you doing with that? I'm nervous.
Putting ice in it.
Oh, okay. The world is waiting.
As they should be, for me. So, now that we are
I'm for
filled
sure backing
to the
up
brim.
on this. I'm not getting exploded upon.
Put this on tight.
Hey, you're blocking the view.
I am the view.
No, that's mean, girl.
So we're going to go ahead and hope for the best. Guys, that was so intense. I'm like really
I'm scared.
Oh my god, wow, what a great blender. That was like so serious.
It was very serious, very aggressive.
Oh my god.
It's startling me and my homegirl.
I feel like we have so much liquid, I might have to pour some aside and add more ice, it seems.
This is a great angle for you, for the girls.
And my skin damage that I have.
Yeah, she has sun poisoning because some people don't know how to act.
Yeah, we definitely, boys and girls at home, need to pour a little out, add a little
If you
ice.
had a bigger blender, it wouldn't be a problem
It
at
wouldn't.
home. So don't get discouraged by our behavior right now.
Yeah. So
This was all
part of the
error of the NutriBullet. This was not our fault. Well, it looks like, my dear, we have some fabulous Aperol Slushies ready for a sample. Oh my god, I'm sick. That's to die for.
Honestly, that's the best batch I've ever made.
Best ever. Anything else has been canceled. Everything before this never happened. It's like BC and AC. Is it before Christ and after Christ? This is like before Christ, but with not Christ. Like before this Aperol Slushee, nothing mattered. And like now we're living in a whole new world. You heard? So I've actually just been educated that it's not AC, it's after death. AD.
Regardless.
Clearly I did not pay
Who
attention in my
cares?
bibliography. Not bibliography.
Oh my god, enough.
It's time for a drink to shut me up. I'm very into this, and you know what my feedback is? Your fave could never. That's that. Period. Like, your fave wouldn't even try it.
Your fave doesn't
make
even
it,
know what Aperol is.
Period. Yeah.
She
Uneducated,
doesn't.
ignorant,
Rude.
Very rude. And she's so
Tacky.
rude, she doesn't even like and subscribe to our channel.
Oh,
so
no.
you know what you're going to do at home is click that subscribe button right about now because you don't want us showing up at your door.
No, they really do. They're so obsessed with us.
Oh yeah, you do want us showing up at your door. But not for that reason because
Ew.
that's not
We're not
pleasant.
coming.
Yeah, we're coming, but we're coming well equipped. Okay? So subscribe or else.
Real hot girl shit.